তো এই বোটানিক টিপ দিয়ে দাঁড়াতে হবে, তারপরে এই রোডটা ক্রস করা যাবে।
We can press that button and wait, then we can cross.
Okay. So for these roads, right?
Yes.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, somewhere there's a button, then we must wait, then we can cross.
So এটা হচ্ছে চার্চিল কলেজ।
This is the last day.
Yes.
Lunch. I think Indians are so excited to take
Indian
videos
and
and
Chinese.
photos. Everyone.
I'm doing video. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So she is from Kerala,
Okay.
right?
Yeah, I am from Kerala. I am doing postdoc in IIM.
And she is here with Ramanujan Fellowship. That's nice to hear.
You are from
West Bengal.
West Bengal. Oh,
Yes.
my guide is from West Bengal.
Yeah, so this is
Yeah.
yes. He's from here. So this is statue of Churchill. You can see the.
Oh, if you are here, I am so happy. I can take pictures with you.
Yes, seriously, I also. I mean, I missed. No problem.
Yeah, at least if
At
you
least-
are here for 3 days.
3 days,
I
yes,
can take many
yes.
photos.
Yeah, I also. I am what I am doing. I'm just taking my bottle like this, putting my camera like this. Then I'm taking my own photo.
Yeah. I don't.
Is there any rice or something?
In the first day there is rice, but I don't like that, so I didn't take that. There's many options, but I don't know which one is suitable for me.
Churchill College lunch.